Isang magandang balita to mga tol para sa ating mga Pinoy boxing fans dahil panalo muli via knockout ang ating pambato sa middleweight division na si Weljon Mindoro, no? Natalo niya ang kanyang kalaban na isang veterano na si Joel Camilleri na isang Australiano. Bale mga tol, 10 taon ang pagitan ng laban na to dahil ang ating pambato ay may edad na 24 years old lamang at ang kalaban naman ay may edad na 34 years old. Magandang panimula ito mga tol para sa ating pambato na si Mindoro dahil nilalaban agad siya sa mga batak na sa larangan at hindi low rank dahil ang rank ni Joel Camilleri ay rank 3 sa bansang Australia. Maganda dahil sinasanay agad si Mindoro ng ating pambansang kamao sa mga gatekeeper gaya nitong si Joel Camilleri. Kumbaga may tiwala sila sa bata nila mga tol. Pacquiao na nga no? Makikita din natin dito na full support itong si itong si Manny Pacquiao na mga tol. Siya pa nga yung siya pa nga yung umakyat sa ring dahil siya pa mismo yung humawak ng belt nito sa weigh-in at pumunta pa sa mismong laban mga tol kung makikita nyo, diba? Umakyat na nga sa kartadang 14 wins and 14 KO ang ating pambato mga tol. Ganyang kasuporta si Manny Pacquiao mga idol, no? Halika at ating panoorin kung paano winasak ng bagitong si Weljon Mindoro ang pambato ng bansang Australia mga tol.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to fight for the title. Introducing to you first, fighting out of the black corner, weighing in at 74.65 kilograms. He comes to the ring unbeaten and with a 100% knockout ratio. 13 wins, all 13 wins come by way of knockout. Presenting a WBO Asia Pacific title challenger, he comes to us from Domingan, Zamboanga, Philippines.
May belt pala na pinaglalabanan dito mga tol, no? Yung Asia champion ang nakalagay dun eh.
Triggerman, Weljon Mindoro.
Sana mga tol maging disiplinadong bata ito mga tol, ano? At talagang umakyat siya sa tuktok ng middleweight. Gusto yung kalaban niya pakilala. Simulan natin sa round 1 mga tol, no?
Asian Continental title at 75 kg middleweight.
Okay, nakatama agad sa body. Bumawi yung kalaban niya mga tol.
He's the undefeated professional Weljon Mindoro. 14 fights, 1 draw, 13 wins, all of them coming inside the distance. No stranger to fighting outside of the Philippines because his last 2 contests have been in the United States.
And now for Joel Camilleri, he competing in his 3rd contest. At his best, he feels he's a match for anyone, so no shortage of confidence for the man from Melbourne. Since moved to Sydney to manage the Costa Zoo, the Costa Zoo Boxing School. After his contest with Tim Tszyu, moved into that role earlier this year. Right cross, left hook to the body.
Makikita natin mga tol, no, talagang may lakas itong bata ni Pacquiao mga tol. Kita pa lang sa hubog ng likod eh, oh. Ang boxer talaga mga tol, pang middleweight talaga. Ayun oh. May 1-2 combination din siya gaya kay Pacquiao.
An identical 74.65 kilograms. Good use of the feet as darting laterally both left and right is Camilleri. Weljon Mindoro seeking to with a forward foray but keeping his composure under fire and answering with a single was Camilleri. Mindoro just seeking to end that little coming together.
Dito nakaramdam na yung kalaban ni Camilleri kaya tumatakbo-takbo ng mga idol eh.
Right uppercuts and it's physical on the inside. So action just on the edge of range as Camilleri continuing to be, oh what a beautiful left jab, my goodness, came out on an upward trajectory from out of the line of sight of Mindoro from around the kneecap, just cracked right into his face.
Mga tol, dinig na dinig yung suntok niya.
Beautiful shot with that lead left from Camilleri.
Manggugulang pa yung mga kalbo talaga, masamang tao mga tol eh.
Halfway stage with the overhand right from Camilleri was a speculative shot. Continuing to move effectively laterally both clockwise and counterclockwise.
Makikita natin dito mga tol na ang aggressive sa laban na to talagang yung Pinoy mga tol. Talagang hindi ka nito titigilan hanggat di ka na knock-out. Maghahanap talaga siya ng butas para i-knockout ka mga tol.
And Mindoro hasn't yet got to grips with that rhythm to demonstrate his own timing. Even though he's in with a noted knockout artist, Camilleri goes by the nickname of Kama-KO, 14 wins of his 29 coming by
nakaramdam na yung kalaban niya mga tol, kaya umaatras-atras na. Ayan, tumatakbo-takbo na. Napagkamalan nga ng mga viewers to na kamag-anak daw ni Mayweather eh. Namumula na agad yung likod oh. Siguro tinamaan yan. Ay sa yakap siguro.
Camilleri, again, dynamic figure up in the boxing ring as he circumnavigates.
Oh, grabe oh.
His back skimming against the ropes.
Hindi magiging 100% KO yan kung walang lakas yan mga tol.
Mindero content to accept the clinch before the intervention of the referee to separate the two. Closing seconds of the second round, and again, just even.
Uy, grabe.
Made his man miss and came out of a
speculative
overhand right. The dynamic darting and elusive movement of Camilleri just give you the impression that
medyo malikot na yung kalaban niya dito. Ay, pawadan natin. Para ano, mabilis. Round 3. Dito na matatapos yung laban mga tol. Ayan o, kinubin siya. Ay, grabe mga tol. Sunod-sunod. Pull up body shot. Tinira na nila sa body shot mga tol. Ayan o. Galing. Galing mga tol. Maganda yung kombinasyon ng batang to. 24 years old pa lang siya o. Maganda ano eh, sparring to kay ano, kay Eulmir Marcial mga tol.
Touching opponents and seeing them fall. Will the curse of the punch-up befall John Mindoro tonight? Still early days, of course, in this battle for the Asian Continental title at 75 kilograms. But oftentimes, when a punch-up is landing cleanly and the opponent is still there, well, sometimes the puncher's instinct can be to just dig away harder. And even though they say they're prepared to go the distance, and no doubt physically they are, can sometimes play tricks in the mind of the expert finisher. That is what the Trigger Man has proven to be during his professional career to this point, having made his debut.
Yan na, tinatarget niya na sa ulo mga tol.
Camilleri with a cuffing right hand and then tying his man up to waltz.
Ang kinaganda dito sa bata natin mga tol, sa pambato natin, hindi siya nagpapagulang. Kita niyo mga tol, pag dumidikit na yung kalaban, tinutulak niya.
To ward off the incoming fire, and again it's a disruptive lead left that he's continuing to work behind Camilleri. Proffering the half cover guard. There he fires an overhand right. The left hook which followed may have glanced the nose of Mindoro after the right hand was inaccurate. Clocking up the miles on his fistic odometer as he glides around the perimeter of the ring.
Ayan, nahilo na mga tol. Puro uppercut ba naman pinakawalan eh.
Again, when Andy and I were observing him work out at the Rocky Road Gym, as a flashing left-right combination catches the advancing Mindoro from Camilleri.
Magsaka na tol.
He's possessed of that timing that just produces a distinctive sound.
Ayan, magsaka na mga tol.
Was a barroom brawl of a blow from Mindoro. Couldn't quite find a range as he walked his man down, but Camilleri landed with the inside of the glove, and then an altogether cleaner right hand, and another one from Camilleri, followed by a left hook, boxing beautifully off the ropes, as Mindoro tried to respond with a right uppercut of his own, but he's walked back across the ring by Camilleri, who is just neutralizing the bombs that are housed in the boxing gloves of the left and right fists of Mindoro. Terrific work by Camilleri to smother the man from the Philippines who's looking for a right hand.
Di ba pala? May last round pa mga tol. Forward na natin yan.
But now, oh, that's a long time.
Mga tol, forward natin.
So Camilleri no stranger to going the 10-round distance. So 8 rounds for this Asian title won't hold any fears for him. But again, it's a very dynamic manner of boxing. As for Mindoro, who bulldozed his man back to the ropes and lands with a right cross. Clever boxing out of the corner from Camilleri, who's remained responsible.
Bagsak to mga tol, bagsak to.
To be teed off upon by Mindoro. Is this a stoppage?
Nice.
No, it's a standing count. So, referee Valery Pastuhov
stepping in with a
standing count after hooks and uppercuts began to
pang-amateur lang yun ah. Pwede pala yun dyan, sa pro na yan eh.
Oh, that's a beautiful right hand on the resumption
Grabe, sunod-sunod yung right hook. Right straight mga tol, sunod-sunod. Puro kapul, hilong-hilo na po yung kalbo mga tol. Takbo na ng takbo.
From Camilleri, but Mindoro really is finding the range on his punches now and wearing all of them. Flush is Camilleri. He's endured a torrid minute and 10 seconds so far. He's taken a standing count. Back into the breach. Steps Mindoro. Senses that he's got his man going. He's wrestled him down to the canvas. That gives him some brief respite. The referee wipes the gloves clean. And he's
bagsak mga tol, bagsak.
Which was an uppercut which sends Camilleri to the canvas to take the second
dito tapos na to mga tol, tapos na to.
There's still a minute and a half to go in round number 4. And against a finisher like Mindoro, that could well be a long 90 seconds. Camilleri on the ropes above our commentary position. Bobbing and weaving, trying to hold off, but he's taken a right uppercut and the towel has come in.
Nice mga tol.
From Dino Billinghurst in the corner. The corner of the Australian.
Galing mga idol, ito maambling din, no? Parang si Magsaya lang mga tol. Grabe, no? Ang laking bata nito mga tol. 24 pa lang, dapat i-sparring to kaya, no? Kay Yumir Marshall. Kaya yan yung anak ni Sean Gibbons mga tol. Hilong-hilo siya eh. Marami nagko-comment na premature stoppage daw, pero para sa akin hindi. Kasi talagang ano eh. Kaya talaga yun mga tol. Ayan o, kitang-kita o. Hilong-hilo na yan pag ganyan mga tol eh.
You absolutely do, and we were wondering, weren't we, between rounds, whether at the end of the third round there was a danger sign there because he was starting to fight Mindoro's fight more, and was that because he was confident, was that because his thing was slowing down, and then right at the start of the fourth, straight away in the kind of fight that really
yeah, umakyat si Pacquiao, congratulate pa siya, laki ng bonus niyan mga tol. Sarap. Magaling, sabi nga magaling. Magaling tong bata niya mga tol. Ang tangkad ni Mindoro, grabe no. Nanliit si Pacquiao yun. Pilitin natin yung ano, yung knockout, yung nakabanda niya dito. Ba yun? Dito banda yun eh. Ayan no.
But Mindoro really is finding the range on his punches now and wearing all of them. Flush is Camilleri. He's endured a torrid minute and 10 seconds so far. He's taken a standing count. Back into the breach. Steps Mindoro. Senses that he's got his man going. He's wrestled him down to the canvas. That gives him some brief respite. The referee wipes the gloves clean and he's walked onto a shot, which was an uppercut, which sends Camilleri to the canvas to take the second count of the round. There's still a minute and a half to go in round number 4, and against a finisher like Mindoro, that could well be a long 90 seconds. Camilleri on the ropes above our commentary position, bobbing and weaving, trying to hold off, but he's taken a right uppercut and a towel
from Dino Billinghurst in the
corner. The corner of the Australian Joel Camilleri.
Maambling pa eh. Parang kulang pa sa kanya yung round 3 mga tol eh, no?
In acknowledgement of another inside the distance victory.
Galing mga tol. Ano masasabi niyo sa bagong ano? Bagong prospect ngayon, prospect tuloy. Bagong bata po ng MP Promotion. Ano masasabi niyo mga tol? No, comment down below kung labas na mga expert. Usap-usap tayo sa comment section mga tol. Yun lang.
Well, the writing was on the wall for Joel Camilleri. He deserves immense credit because over the course of the first 4 rounds, he boxed very well indeed. But as is often the case when sharing a ring with a puncher, you've got to remain switched on for every moment that they remain.